Time check, December 31, 10 o'clock in the evening. So, after namin mag-deliver, gumawa kami ni JL ng prosperity bowl. One is for house and one is for the store. Bali, tapos na kami ng aming luto and nakapag-pick up na rin lahat ng customer. Nahugasan na ni June lahat ng mga dapat hugasan. At si Louie naman na nagtatapos ng gawain at nagluluto ng ibang dapat iluto na ihahanda namin sa aming table for New Year's Eve. So, ganyan ang aming ginagawa for 5 years, guys. So, and we are happy to serve all of you guys and thank you for the support and wish you all good luck for the year of 2025. And let's celebrate our New Year's Eve. So guys, it's 44 minutes before 12 o'clock here in Canada. Ayan, 37, 38. Countdown tayo. Hi! New Year countdown here in Canada. Ontario. So, ito ang aming pagkain for tonight. Yan. Si Nanay.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ba't nawala ang bilang?
15 seconds.
10 seconds.
2025 na.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ayan. Ayan o, countdown in Toronto. Happy New Year! So, ito yung aming foods for tonight. Ito. Yan. We have, yan ang aming fruits. Ayan guys, ito ang mga sweets namin, mga malagkit. Gumawa si JL ng ganyan. And I have this one. Yan, gumawa kami ni JL. At meron din kaming ito. Yan guys. Oh, ito ang aming foods sa table. Tanggalan mo na JL ang plastic ang ating mga foods. We have lechon belly, ham, sweet and sour, 3 kinds of pancit guys. Tapos meron kami fresh palabok. Tapos we have ano, ito. We have 4 kinds of ito, salad, drinks. Ayan ang aming foods. Yung iba ginagawa-gawang ganun-ganun eh. Yung parang ano. Tapos, hindi mo pala nilagyan ng ano yan? Ng pineapple? NANI? Meron kaya. Hi! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Canada!
Happy New Year!
Yan, kain na tayo.
Sila, Crystal, may kami.
Kain na tayo.
May dumating ba?
May dumating.
Kain tayo. Look how crispy. Ayan, ang lovely Asian lechon belly.
Kayo gumawa yan.
Sarap yan. Kain na.